Are those credit card bills piling up? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing 3 simple steps to help you tackle credit card debt faster and start feeling in control again. Credit card debt can feel overwhelming. It can feel like a never-ending cycle of stress and anxiety, especially when you see those bills piling up month after month. The interest rates are high, often making it difficult to make a dent in the principal amount. And sometimes it seems like the balances never go down, no matter how much you pay. Each month you might feel like you're just treading water, but with the right plan, you can get ahead, no matter where you're starting. By taking small, manageable steps, you can start to see progress and regain control over your finances. Here's how to take control of your financial situation in just 3 simple steps. These steps are designed to help you get a clear picture of your debts, choose an effective strategy to pay them off, and prevent you from accumulating more debt in the future. Step 1, list all your debts. Write down each credit card, the total balance owed, and the interest rate for each one. This includes any loans or other forms of debt you might have. Seeing everything in one place can be a powerful motivator. It helps you understand the full scope of your financial obligations and can be the first step towards taking control. Step 2, choose a payoff strategy. One popular method is the Avalanche method, where you focus on paying off the card with the highest interest rate first. This can save you money on interest in the long run. Alternatively, you can use the snowball method, which involves paying off the smallest balance first. This can give you quick wins and keep you motivated to continue. The key is to pick the strategy that keeps you motivated and committed to your goal of becoming debt-free. Step 3, stop adding new debt. This one's tough but essential. It's important to break the cycle of relying on credit cards for everyday expenses. Create a spending plan that covers all your needs without having to rely on credit cards. This might involve cutting back on non-essential expenses and finding ways to save more money. By following these steps, you'll start to see progress and reduce the stress that comes with debt. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed and celebrate your milestones along the way. To make this process even easier, I've created a free debt tracking tool that simplifies managing your finances. You can download it right now and start using it immediately. Click the link in the description below to get started. Let's turn that debt into freedom together. Take control of your financial future and experience the relief of being debt-free. Got questions about debt management? Drop them in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this.